Checking if that GoPro's on. Looks like it is, so we're gonna get the fuck out of here. So fucking get the fuck out of here, cunt. The fucking 400, bro. Oh man, this bike is so slow. This bike is so fucking slow. Nevertheless, we'll try and see if we... Oh! There you go, mate. Off like that. Fucking never put that up a bit. Can't fucking see shit. Go on, mate. Let's fucking get this corner. Let's get this fucking corner, mate. That's what this bike is designed to do. Is go around the fucking corner. Try and fucking pick up the speed a little bit. Come on, into 400. Hope there's no fucking slow cunts up there, otherwise I'm gonna have to fucking slow down. Imagine how embarrassing to fucking take over by the 400. Fuck, mate. Get fucking over here. Get out of the way, you slow fuck. This fucking garbage is trying to fucking drag race at 400. Oh mate, this is gonna be fucking funny as fuck. What a fucking idiot, he got overtaken by 400. Slow it down. Fuck, the wind's a bit fucking shit today, eh? Holy fuck, I didn't realise it was this fucking bad. Them cunts. Get the fuck out of here, cunt. Holy fuck, that wind's bad. Holy shit. Fucking hell, looks like we're on a slow cunt. Let's go. Try and pick up the speed a little bit. Fucking barely. clutch absolutely fucking sucks. Absolutely fucking sucks. Fuck, you might start the fucking. Just gonna stop this damn rain, isn't it? I'm gonna have to turn back soon. Fuck! Yeah, it's corner. Back to the fucking straights. Yeah, mate, it's fucking pissed down the rain. I'm gonna have to pull over soon. Fuck! Yeah, mate, that's fucking it. I'm done. I'm turning back now. Didn't realise you're gonna start fucking pissing down the rain. But yeah, cheers for watching. Fucking see you in the next one.